Hey, babe.
Hey,
I love you. You
I
love
love you
me?
too.
You love me?
I'm not gay, so and I'm Jewish. I can't love boys.
Hi.
What's goody goody?
I just ate dinner. How about you?
Here, what you ate?
I'm 18.
I
What
said
about you?
I said what you ate.
Oh, what did I eat? Oh, sorry. I heard what I ate. I ate fish and some rice.
Period. I had some.
Oh, cool.
Mm-hmm.
Was it
Is that a bird?
good? Yeah.
Girl, if you don't cook that bird and keep it moving, turn around. Bye. Scratch your hair and then smell your finger.
Oh, I just showered. My hair's like very clean and like nice actually. So
Did you wash your butt? Did your butt stink?
my butt does not stink. Watch that too.
Do you like
Swear to God.
do you like finger your and get the rim when you take a shower
Always.
to get the little poop out of
You?
there?
The real question is, do you do that?
Actually, I'm actually very flexible, so I just like turn around and just like rim my tongue.
Oh shit.
Mm-hmm.
Could you like teach me how to do that maybe?
Of course, stand up.
No. Could you stand up and do it?
No, I gotta teach you how to do it. Stand up.
No, I can't do that.
Why? Okay. You're not
What you do, girl or Roy?
girl.
What the fuck?
Are you confused?
La barba.
Beard?
Yes, that.
What's wrong with it?
Cat.
It's fake. It's not real.
You're a cute bear.
A cute bear? Oh, thank you. I know. I didn't know I was a bear. Oh, period. Sharing. I could take you to the parents in the party. We could plan a motherfucking wedding. You the type I wanna. Period. Bad bitch.
Period.
No, la Charlie D'Amelio. Charlie D'Amelio. Oh my god. Oh my god. Charlie D'Amelio.
Can y'all shut the up?
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's Katy Perry.
Girl, I will literally come to the screen and snatch your frizzy ass hair. Hey, daddy.
I like your wig.
Thanks, daddy.
No problem.
Call me mommy.
Oh.
Hey. What's up, daddy? Don't look at me like that, daddy.
Oh hell no.
Don't look at me like that, daddy.
Oh, I didn't realize your wig. It's really cool.
Thank you. You're really cool.
Thanks. But shouldn't you just also paint your beard?
No.
Why not?
I think I look sexy just like this. I think I'm sexy. I think I'm sexy just like this.
You're perfect the way you
Thank
are.
you. How hot do you think I am?
Flaming something.
Am I on
explode.
fire?
Yeah,
If you me out, would you shit explosive fire?
probably, yeah.
Imagine if you were Madison Beer. Sis, you are Madison Beer.
Girl, bye. No, I'm not. I'm Tiffany Jade.
Okay, Jade.
Girl, don't get smart before I come across the screen and knock your ass out.
Sis, you can't even come over here.
Girl, yes, I can.
Come at me.
What's up?
Sis,
Bitch, I'll don't play with me, bitch. What's up? What's up? You looking like you want to fight.
You kind of look cute though. Like,
Oh, thanks, daddy. You gonna rate?
Can you say chill, daddy, chill?
Chill, daddy, chill.
Thank you.
Why, what's that?
Can you pay Pimp Daddy Jared?
Wait, what?
Pimp Daddy Jared.
Pimp daddy Jared.
Oh, thank you. That's so kind.
Yeah, why?
No.
Are you trying to be my zaddy?
Yeah, no.
Good.
Wallahi, brother. Do you not see the problem, bro?
If you know
You
something,
are an
tell me. If you
expert
know something,
troll.
tell me. If you know something, tell me. Some of the people become pussies all of a sudden. Pussies. Pussies will step in your fucking face right now. Bitch, I'll step in your fucking face too. What is that thing I see in the background?
Oh, it might have been my foot.
No, I see something red.
Oh, it's a MAGA hat. Make America Great Again, pro-Trump. Here. Do you have different opinions? I was gonna say
I do, but I don't argue about politics.
Oh, good. Good. We don't like to argue about politics. Sarah, you were being really Sarah, you were being like pro-Trump. That is so annoying. Well, because I do. I like Trump, but I respect other people's opinions. So.
Hi.
Hey, I ran out of bread, but this is supposed to be for you.
Hey, M60, you just got breaded.
Is that my new boyfriend?
Girl, you're like 10 years old.
You're like 50.
Girl.
We're breaking up.
Who?
Yeah.
Girl, I wasn't with you in the first place. You better get it right. Don't come at me like that. Don't come at me sideways. I was never with you.
Yes, we were. You know.
No, the fuck I wasn't.
Yes, the fuck you were.
No, the I wasn't.
Yes, the fuck you were.
No, the
No.
Why do I keep getting matched with roaches?
We want to talk about a roach? At least we're not gay.
I'm talking about a roach.
Okay, no, I'm not gonna fight. This is Wendy's. This is Wendy's. Yeah.
I don't care who Wendy's is.
Well, I'm not gonna let you get any Wendy's anymore because I'm the CEO of Wendy's.
Girl, but you ain't no CEO shit.
Yes, I am. No, hold on. You can't be talking. You're literally wearing a wig and then a beard.
You, girl, you ain't no CEO not with that Walmart ass curtain behind you.
He likes This is her. This is her area. No, he likes getting angled, you know, but he can't even because he's fat and big.
Just fucking emotionless face, moaning. Nice.
Gayron? Hi, Gayron. Blackpink in your area.
Fuck you.
F you too, bitch.
Gay.
I ain't the one to f with, bitch. Don't f with me.
Gay.
I ain't the one to Hey, baby. What's up?
Hey, what's good, bro?
What's goody goody?
Whoa! Okay, buddy, yeah, you is tripping, my guy.
How am I tripping?
My guy, that's a wig.
It's real natural hair.
Is it a transgender?
No.
Why are you drinking water like that? I'm Canadian.
You could buy me some ice cream with some pounds?
No.
Oh, so you're broke?
Pounds. It's Canadian money, it's not pounds.
How are you?
Hey, how are you, babes?
I'm so much better now that I've seen you.
Oh, babes, stop.
You trying to take me on a date? I'm looking for someone to go on a date with.
On a what?
On a date?
Fuck yourself, you pussy.
Shut the fuck up. Shut your mouth.
Oh, fucking what, you pussy.
Bitch, I'll put my whole in your mouth, make you choke on this shit.
Okay.
What the hell? What's so funny? You like what you see?
Yes, Daddy.
You do?
Be a little natural. You're like forcing that voice.
No, I'm not forcing anything.
You are.
I'm not.
Listen.
I mean,
want to show my face.
why don't you be a little natural and show your face?
Yeah, get it.
Wait, are you the dude from the video?
Daddy chill?
Daddy chill? No.
It's me.
No.
It's
no
me.
way.
It's me.
No, chill, no way.
Wait. Daddy chill.
Wait, this is crazy. You're a legend.
Thank you.
Am I on your YouTube right now? No way.
Thought I needed something else and that. What does that mean?
You have to kiss my hand.
Girl, bitch, you better kiss my motherfucking feet. I'm not kissing that dirty ass hand, hoe. Let me see your nails again. Let me see your nails. Put them up close. Zoom in. No, I said zoom into your nails. No. Show me that bitch. She was very much shit. Ooh.
Oh boy, what's good?
What's goody?
What's good? How you doing?
I'm good. Yo, you rap?
What music are you into?
I rap.
You rap?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
You want to hear some?
Yeah, let me hear some.
I have my lyrics on my notepad. 1 second. All right, I'm gonna rap a sentimental one.
Hey. Okay. Let's see what's
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Damn, Papa, you a rare breed. No comparing. And it's motherfucking scary. Trying to keep him because I found him. Let a hoe know I am motherfucking sharing. I can take you to the parents, then the parry. Plan a motherfucking wedding. You the type I want to marry and keep you married. I put the ring on when you're ready. We play our fantasies out in real life ways. And no final fantasy can we end these games though. You give me energy, make me feel lightweight like the birds of a feather, baby. We're real life made for each other. And it's hard to keep my cool when other bitches trying to get with my dude. And when other chicks trying to get in my cool because you are one in the million. There ain't a nigga like you.
Okay. I like that Final Fantasy. I like that. I like that.
You like that?
Yeah, I like that.
That shit was fire, right?
Yeah, it was fire. So, are you like famous or something?
No.
No?
No.
Okay.
Why?
No, I swear I've seen you before.
Oh, you probably saw me on a video or something like that.
Wait, did you do the daddy thing?
Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that?
What's goody, Daddy?
Wait, this is the guy?
Huh?
This is the actual guy?
Daddy, chill.
You're gay.
But that's what I said.
Yeah.
Keep saying that shit. I'm putting you on my YouTube.
Do it. Just a gay wait, never mind. That's kind of rude.
What you want to say?
Daddy Joe.
No, say what you gotta say.
Yo, what's your YouTube?
Tippy, say what you gotta say.
Nothing. I'll smack everybody in the damn comments.
All right.